That's very good. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh. I was like, I have to do a Swiss chocolate taste test because I don't know, it gives me an excuse to try all these chocolates. And I look very on theme. I'm wearing a chocolate shirt. I am chocolate. I thought it was a great idea. Okay, so I bought a bunch of chocolate stuff. Yeah, before the video starts, I wanted to wish you guys a happy 4th of July. I'm in Switzerland, so obviously I'm not celebrating, but I still wanted to wish you guys a happy 4th of July. And I wanted to let you know that I'm having a huge sale on my website. I've made everything about 75% off on my website. I've got guides. I got a 30-day healthy hair guide if you want your hair to be long and beautiful. I got a 30-day healthy hair challenge. I've got a 21-day ab flat tummy challenge. I've got my Iceland itinerary. I've got my Switzerland itinerary. I've got an Afghanistan itinerary if you wanted to travel to Afghanistan. I've got tons of stuff over there, and I've made everything 75% off. If you guys want to get something, today would be the day in honor of 4th of July. And also, if you wanted to sign up for my postcard program and support me on my travel journey, I will send you postcards from all the different countries I go to. And in honor of joining while I'm in Switzerland, I'll send you some Swiss chocolate. I'm going to send you the Cognac Swiss chocolate, which is super popular here. And I'm going to demo in this video for you guys if you want to see what it tastes like. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Maryjane's World Tour. I just made a new Instagram. I was about to say my old one, at Maryjane's World Tour. And yeah, let's get into, when I say there's chocolate everywhere, there's chocolate everywhere. So I'm gonna start off with this Munster Burn chocolate. I actually got it downstairs at the hotel that I'm staying in. They gave it to me, although it was available for purchase. But the lady at the front desk gave it to me and she was like, you have to try it, it's so good. And I really don't know what it is, but I know it's from Bern, and I'm in Bern. So I thought it was topical, so let's go ahead and try it. All I know is that she said it was Swiss chocolate with vanilla flavoring or something. So you can tell this was made by, there's a cow on it. Oh. Okay, so I have to take the whole thing out. There's a cow on it. Farmer, I almost don't even want to eat it. This is a shame. Okay, I'm gonna try a little corner. Tastes like dark chocolate. There's nothing like, what sets Swiss chocolate apart from the rest of the chocolate of the world is the milk. The Swiss cows and that Swiss milk, the Swiss cow milk and the chocolate is like, it sets it apart. It's what makes the Swiss chocolate so freaking good. It's that freaking cow's milk they have here. The Swiss cows, they're beautiful. I went up onto Rothorn Mountain yesterday. Beautiful. And we were looking at the cows and we we're all like, why are Swiss cows so beautiful? Like, I grew up around cows. There's nothing special about a cow, but in Switzerland there is. Like, everyone was looking at the cows and taking pictures of the cows, and we're like, there's just something about Swiss cows. They're gorgeous and they make the best milk. So that is like just chocolate, but it's the Swiss milk that just makes it so good. Okay, next I'm gonna try this chocolate milk. This is actually a chocolate brand that made chocolate milk. Heidi chocolate drink, yeah. And I don't really understand Swiss, so just gonna go ahead and try it. I got it at the supermarket. I love chocolate milk, so let's see. Ooh. That's very good. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh, that's dangerous. Ooh. I'm somebody who looks at ingredients and everything, of sugar content, everything. 97 calories for the whole thing. That's not bad. 2 grams of sugar. That's not bad either. There's like chocolate at the bottom, so. Oh my goodness, that's tasty. Like I said, it tastes like a drink version of the Swiss chocolate here. It's that cow's milk, man. Okay, let me try the one that I'm going to send to you guys. So let me try one of the, let me put all this stuff over here. Let me try the cognac one that I'm going to send to everybody today. And yesterday, if you signed up yesterday, you get the cognac chocolate. And if you sign up today, I'm gonna send you the cognac chocolate, which is this. So it says it's Swiss milk chocolate with cognac syrup center. Yeah. And I went to the post office and I was like, can I send this in the mail? And they're like, of course you can. It's like, I just want to make sure. Because there's a cognac syrup in the middle, but they said it's fine. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is so heavy duty. Look at that. Focusing. So it has the brand, which is, I think this brand makes alcoholic flavored chocolates, I think. But don't quote me. Oh, it's so buttery. Oh my goodness. So yeah, Swiss. I smell it already. Whoa! I don't drink alcohol, by the way, you guys. I had wine, I think, twice. Yeah, and that's it. I don't drink alcohol, but whoa, that cognac hits you. I smell it. Like, let me go ahead and break this open. So it's already oozing out. Look at that. It's like cognac. Oh, yep. If you like cognac, you're gonna love this chocolate. It's literally already oozing out. So I guess, okay, here, try a little piece. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Okay. That's cognac in the middle of Swiss milk chocolate. That is cognac in the middle of Swiss milk chocolate. Whoa! Drink, then give it to somebody who does in your family and share it. When I tell you one little cube is no joke. Woo! Okay, yeah. I'm setting that cognac Swiss milk. The chocolate though is delicious. If you like cognac, you'll love this chocolate. Because that is no joke. Yeah, if you sign up today, I'll send you your postcard with that chocolate. And like I said, if you're a fan of cognac, you'll love this. If not, give it to a family friend. And yeah, I went to the post office to make sure I could send the chocolate in the mail. I can. But just make sure you are of age. And if not, give it to a family member. Because whoa, sweet tea. That is no joke. And actually that brand, this whole brand makes, I think, alcoholic centered chocolate. But don't quote me, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So the next chocolate I'm gonna try is Torino. This is super popular here in Switzerland. I'm trying to get a thumbnail of this one. This is super popular. This is chocolate, milk chocolate, Swiss milk chocolate with cream. Almond cream in the middle. Okay. It's different, trust me. I'm somebody who thought chocolate was chocolate. No. In Switzerland, man. Buttery, man. Okay. Yeah, it's filled with this almond cream, so let's try it. It's got like a nutty thing from the almond cream. But it tastes like almond butter, but really smooth in the middle. That is delicious. Okay, the next one I'm gonna taste is the Cognac caramel stick. So Cognac is like the first brand of chocolate that ever existed on earth. And this is a stick of it with Swiss milk with little tiny caramel pieces. Let's taste. Crunchy. It's really nice. I've actually had this before. I visited the chocolate museum here in Switzerland back in December, where chocolate was invented, and they gave these to us at the museum for free. That's really nice. It's like game over. The cows here and that milk in the chocolate here, where chocolate was invented in Switzerland, it's just a game changer. It's just insane. You know what, you guys? Okay. So, if you want the only chocolate I already sent a ton of chocolate out to you guys who signed up for my postcard program. You should be getting your chocolate this week if you have not got it already. If you want the cognac, because I bought a ton of that cognac chocolate because I was like, oh, I just had a feeling that you guys are going to love it. So I got a ton of it. If you want the cognac chocolate, again, make sure you're of age because it's got alcohol. I feel a little drunk actually. Just kidding. I've never been drunk or high or anything because I don't drink or smoke or anything like that. But I just know what, like,